Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. Well, this ain't my kitchen, this is my auntie's kitchen, or her garage per se. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make my famous Philly cheesesteak on a Blackstone grill right outside in the garage. So stay tuned in while I go ahead and chop all this stuff up, and we're gonna start doing these steaks and all that good stuff on here. Okay, we got like 5 of these that fly up around here. They always want to get in the video. They want to be famous too, I assume. All right, we got some provolone cheese. We got some green bell peppers, some red bell peppers. We got some onion, like 3 or 4 of those. We got some mild banana rings, pepper rings, and we got some A1 steak sauce with some mayonnaise and tomatoes and lettuce. And these are bread that we're going to be using today right here. These are some white sub rolls. Okay, and I got all this stuff at Walmart. All right, guys. So tune in for this next video. All right. See you guys in a minute. I like a little char on mine. I don't know how you guys like yours, but this is how we're gonna do it. I do have oil right here, but I'm not gonna put a whole bunch on there. Just a little bit, guys. In fact, we're just gonna saute these up, and we're gonna scoot these to the side. A lot of people, like I said, don't eat onions in my family. Like that. I'm gonna turn this off over here. Then we're gonna come in here with a little bit more oil on this side, so the bell pepper gotta get done. Alright, put this bell pepper up. Let me cook up a little bit. Now I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna slide this over here. I'm gonna put some oil on here. I'm gonna put our meat on here now. This is my meat. Just throw it on there, man. It gotta be pretty. I'm gonna throw some seasoning on here. You don't have to put a lot on here. Make sure you don't put salt on this one, because these are seasoning. The meat is already seasoned, in other words. So this don't have salt in it. So what I'm gonna do is just let this cook on each side, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Then I'm gonna start chopping it up. Then I'm gonna mix my bell peppers and stuff up with it. See you guys in a minute. All right, fam. We'll go ahead and turn these. Like that. It gotta be pretty. We'll turn it. All we doing. Nothing new. Nothing spectacular. We're turning. We're gonna let it cook on this side. Put a little bit more seasoning on this. And like I said, we're just gonna bring it all together. When I do that, I'll see you guys in a minute. So what I'm doing now is I'm just chopping up the meat. That's all I'm doing, guys. Sorry about the noise. You guys want to learn how to do this. All you do is hold the meat like this. You hold it at the end and you chop it. Just like that. Yeah. Take this bell pepper. Make sure there ain't no onions in there. Bell pepper. Oh, Desmond, you chopped up these vegetables for me. Straight up. You did me a good service. So show some love to Desmond. Shout out to him. Like I said, people want onions and all that stuff. We put that on there when they on request, okay? It's A1 steak sauce. Put a little bit of A1 steak sauce on there. We can give it some more extra flavors, just like so. Like I told you at the beginning, I have some mild banana pepper rings right here. We're gonna put a little of that juice on there too. Just give it a little juice. With some extra flavor. That's all we're gonna do. And we'll put some of that on the sandwich later. You guys. Alright fam, I have been making sandwiches. So this is my uncle's sandwiches, the one that chopped up the vegetables for me. I'm just going ahead and take this bun off. Yeah, this ain't too bun. Doesn't matter really. So we're just going to take that. You can do it like this too, if you want to. Like this. That's how they do it at the restaurant. They ain't got time to play with you. Don't fall off, put it back on now. Here. Alright. So. Come with a little lettuce and tomatoes and all that good stuff. We're going to wrap this bad boy up. Let Uncle go ahead and dig right in. And there you go. Right there. Oh yeah. All day. Every day. Now, we're going to just wrap this up for him. He wants some mail too on his. He just came over and told me. Alright. We're going to wrap this up. There you go. Right there. In a dough. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate you for all you do.
VELDOGG'S Kitchen.
All day.
Best in town.
Man, I don't know about that, but you know, hey, it is what it is. I'll see you guys in a minute.